No. I'm not playing with you. This is stacking. Stop! Why? Why me? Do you all want to be stacked? And Pink runs away while everybody else is coming here because the only one I do want is running away.
Well, you can stack Dottie.
Go good puppies. Go puppies.
We won't. Let's try
Go.
to calm ourselves.
You missed it? Why won't you stack? Stack. Stack.
Easy.
Okay, this one's just as worse as this.
Okay, pick another one.
Now we need a red one. Who should we do, Sparky? Or do you
Take
think
your pick.
Nah, I can't do it. You just tell me where your controller is.
There, we got some unicorns.